Hey guys, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make a sound meter just like this, which basically points in a direction depending on how loud your voice is. For example, in this particular demonstration, as you can see, this is exactly what we're going to be making, and when you talk very loudly, it's going to fall, the direction is going to be pointing towards the red part, and if you talk not too low, not too soft, it's going to be pointing towards the yellow part. And when you do not speak at all, or when it's very low, so I've already grabbed hold of all of my assets, including the meter and the hands, and I've also customized the backdrop, and I've done that by simply typing in sound meter. And I also want to share that I got the meter costume from another project. So I've got this asset from another project, and even the hands. So I'm going to show you how you can draw this. So we'll go in depth with the costume. Starting off with the hand, there's not much to explain. You can just use the square or rectangle tool and draw a rectangle, and I've drawn a square, but then you can just minimize the width of it and decrease the area. Something like this. Or if you are not you're not that good in drawing, just like I am not that good in drawing, then you can just go to the link in the description below and grab hold of all the assets that I've used. So I'm just going to be showing you the meter right now. So for the meter, I've used the rectangle tool, and then I've also set the color to basically this sort of green one. And then I've used the reshape tool, not me, but I also tried drawing this, and I've used the reshape tool to just reshape the form of this particular shape. So as you can see, it looks sort of like that, but you guys can just go ahead and grab the assets. Okay, so I'm gonna delete that one. And if you guys just want to draw plain, rectangle, that's okay too. Just make sure you have something that's yellow and red as well as green. Well, I prefer you guys to use the assets. Well, it's fine if you don't want to. You can create your own. Anyways, let's divert our attention from the assets to the code. So there's not much to say about the code. I just want to say that we'll be using the loudness factor in the soundometer. And another thing I want to say is that we will not be requiring much code in this. It's like very less amount of code. So to start off, I want to say that we must have this very important factor, loudness. It's like a very new factor that we have paid importance in. Like, when I mean new, I mean like this is the first time that I've used loudness in a project. So we'll be using loudness. And you can actually have a look at the loudness by simply having this checkbox open. So if I talk loudly, it's going to increase. If I talk softly, it's going to decrease. I don't think you guys heard that. But anyways, this is the loudness factor. And also keep track of the direction. So necessarily in this project, we won't be using the direction module. We just want to keep track of it. We also do not necessarily want to use the loudness module. You'll find the direction in the motion category, and you'll find loudness in the sensing category because it's sensing the loud volume. Anyways, let's get on to the code. So first, I would like to point out the coordinates of each and every asset. Starting off with the meter, the X position is -12 and the Y position is -35, and the hand, its position is just one less than the one more actually in integers. -13 is less than -12. Well, value meaning -13 is less than -12. Because in the number line, you're going backwards in the left-hand position. But anyways, that's like a different math topic. And yeah, math is definitely a significant part in coding. Well, I'm diverting my attention to math. Well, anything else, well, forget that. Well, the hand is -13 and the x is -13 and the y is -57. So right now, let's get started with the coding. So for the meter, you will need a when green flag is clicked. And then you want to go to x and y. We're doing the meter right now. And then we want to forever drag in a forever loop. And actually, no, this is for the meter. Yeah, for the meter, just drag in this. That's it. We do not need anything else for the meter. And for the hand, we do need something else. So when green flag is clicked and go to x and y, then we want to drag a forever loop. So where's the, yeah, in control. So whatever you put in this loop will execute until the stop button is clicked. And now we want to make sure that this is pointing in direction